Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to shorten a song on GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can find all the instruments we can play, we can find the audio recorder option, and so on. So let's go ahead and get started to seeing how we can shorten our song and how we can make it less long. So let's go ahead and open up any of the options we have right here. It's going to open up the same for any instrument you choose, and just going to open up audio recorder to show you. It's going to open up this same menu right here where we can get started recording and so on. So if you do not have your track recorded, you can get started recording yourself by clicking the big red circle at the top of the screen. And once we are finished and we want to shorten the track, we can go right here into the upper left corner and click on the edit mode. That's going to open up this new mixing mode right here where we can see all our tracks that we have. As you can see, we have our audio recorder, we have the grand piano, and so on. So basically guys, there are two ways to shorten it. The first one is if we want to reduce the speed as it goes, or we can increase the speed to shorten it. So as you can see, by clicking on the track and double tapping on it, it's going to open up this new menu right here of options, and one of the options is called settings. So if you open up settings guys, you can see you can manage your speed right here, and once you increase the speed, it's going to shorten your track, and you can find all the options that you have right here. You can even go ahead and open up edit mode to reduce it and so on. But basically guys, for shortening your track, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the end of the track right here, as you can see, and now you can go ahead and reduce it to whatever you want. You can shorten it how much you want and then leave it right there, as the new track is going to be lasting that long. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.